In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update status in Wrike. Keeping your task status up to date in Wrike is one of the simplest but most important habits you can build. It helps your teammates understand what you're working on, what's finished, and what might be blocked without needing constant check-ins or follow-up messages. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the basic process of changing a task status, and I'll also share a few practical tips so you feel confident doing this as part of your daily workflow. To start, make sure you're logged into your Wrike workspace and you're in the right project or folder where your tasks are stored. Once you're there, the first thing you need to do is select a task. You can do this from the list view, the board view, or even from a report, depending on how you normally work. Look through your task list and click on the task that you want to update. This will highlight the task and in most views, open its details on the right side of the screen. Next, you'll want to locate the status column. In list view, you'll see several columns such as task name, assignee, due date, and one labeled status. The status column shows the current state of your task, such as new, in progress, or completed, depending on how your workspace is configured. If you don't immediately see the status column, you may need to scroll horizontally or adjust which columns are visible, but in most standard layouts, it should already be in view. Once you've found that status column for your chosen task, click directly on the current status. When you click on it, a small drop-down menu will appear, showing you all the available statuses you can choose from. These options might be slightly different depending on your team's workflow settings, but they usually follow a simple life cycle from not started to in progress to done. Now, simply select the new status that best reflects where the task stands right now. As soon as you click, Wrike will update the task status instantly. That update will be visible to everyone who has access to that task, which means your project manager and teammates will